And welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm recreating Aria Montgomery from PLL Season 1. I loved this episode because of the dress, so when I found it off Poshmark, I knew I had to try to recreate it, and I'm so excited to be working with Benefit Canada on this video again. I'm showing you guys a new brow launch. So this is their latest brow product. It's called the Brow Styler, and I'm using this in the shade 5 today because I am wearing a dark wig. I tried my best to find a wig that was like Aria-esque, but hopefully this is good. And it's really great because on one side you have a wax pencil, so it's really easy to define your brow, and then on the other side we have a powder, so you just shake it up and then rotate it, and it's really great because you can fill in like thicker sections really fast, and you'll see how much this does to my brows because I definitely transformed them darker and fuller. I'm in a weird location right now, so hopefully the lighting was okay and everything. I just stepped on glass, my foot's bleeding. I'm a bit of a mess, but if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more pop culture videos, and yeah, let's get into it.
Got on my dark wig, green contacts, and I'm gonna go full coverage by first prepping with the Benefit POREfessional primer. I love this one. My sister stole mine and now she loves this as well. It's silky smooth and a great base. Aria's skin tone is very fair and a bit tawny. Go in with your favorite foundation. I'm going pretty high coverage by layering the Benefit Hello Happy in shade 2, and then I'm brightening up with the new Boi-ing Cakeless concealer in shade 1. So I really like to add a warmer base sometimes and then a cooler highlight, and that will neutralize the skin. Let's start highlighting. Aria has a small forehead, prominent cheekbones and chin. And then the nose contour and the brow shape will really help to give us an Aria vibe. Blending out, and I'm obsessed with this multitasking full coverage liquid concealer. It's very high coverage, which I've really been needing lately. My skin is totally fine here, but oh my gosh, not right now when I'm editing. And this blends out super lightweight and it doesn't cake or crack. This is my new fave high coverage concealer, and my favorite high-end setting powder has to be the Hourglass Veil. I keep going back to it and I usually just tap over, but if you want to really brighten up the skin, you can pack this on for a bit of baking. Let's give the face some dimension with the Benefit Hoola Light Bronzer. And I've been loving starting my nose contour with this light bronzer before the darker powder to help it seamlessly blend in. This nose contour isn't perfectly loosey. I tried to create more of a distinct nose bridge, and then you want to create a lower button tip if you're trying to look more like her, but of course you can always skip this step. I'm mostly trying to recreate this episode because I think the makeup is super wearable and very fall-like, but I did want to add some aspects of the intro when the girls look super doll-like, so I'm adding the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand for, again, very doll-like skin, and I'm so obsessed with this product. It really polishes off any skin look. And Lucia's Aria is super blushy in this screenshot, and I loved that, so I'm going with the Benefit Dallas Boxed Blush. Now for the brow styler, we are really going to transform my brows. This new brow launch is a 2-in-1 wax pencil and powder duo that is waterproof, 18-hour wear, so your brows are really going to stay put. And I'm taking the wax pencil side to sculpt the Aria shape. And to make life easier, we're going to use the powder to just fill in the arch. Just give it a shake and then carefully twist open the powder, swirling the precision tip around inside to remove any excess product. And this looks super bold with my natural coloring. I usually go in with shade 3.5 on the daily, but with this wig it's perfect, especially when the eyes are lightly smoky. And then we are going to bring in some long natural lashes. Aria's eyes and brows are definitely her standout feature. And I picked up this Dior palette baby. For this Aria look, I wanted to find golden eyeshadows that weren't too coppery and bright golds, but more muted, so this palette worked perfect. And I will say there was a little bit of fallout in the pan for how expensive these shadows are, but they're so dang easy to blend. So I definitely recommend, especially if you use like the same shadows every day and you want a nice neutral palette. First, I'm taking the matte gray brown, adding some depth between the brows. With the top middle shade, apply all over the lid. I love this kind of goldeny taupe. It's gorgeous as an all over the lid shade that picks up the light, but again isn't too bold. For an extra pop of sparkle, I took the coppery shimmery shadow and tapped on the top of the lid. This is perfect for green eyes especially, it really makes the eye color pop. And some warm brown in the crease, and now let's deepen up with the two deepest shades focused on the inner and outer crease. Also, bring the shadow under the eyes in a rounded shape. Lucy's eyes are super wide and doll-like. It's a really fun step to add a light eyeliner in a peach shade on the outer waterline. Lining the eye focused on the outer portion, and I'm tilting the liner down slightly. This gives me more of an aria-esque eye. And deepening up under the waterline and keeping it a bit smudgy to make the lashes pop and also have it a bit more gothic. And this is just bringing some subtle drama to the eyeline that's still super wearable. Mascara time! My favorite for long lashes that you can build up to be a bit spidery is the Benefit BADgal Bang Volumizing Mascara. When this came out, everyone was freaking out about how long you can make your bottom lashes, and it's so true. And once again, I went in with the liner and connected the bottom eyeliner to the top, and I think it really completes the eye look. And now we have a subtle smoky eye with drama, but it's not too overdone. And finally for the lips, I'm using this matte NYX lipstick and I'm smudging in, making this look a bit vampy and edgy. I kind of like the finish to be more blotted and textured than perfectly lined and filled. And I also added a bit more of a plummy blush to tie the look together, and I love these bright teal nails with this whole look. And let's take a look at the outfit I recreated.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed another PLL tutorial. I remember I started off my channel doing these, so it's really fun to go back and try to do a much better job, because check out my first Aria video. I just had blonde hair. I didn't look like her at all. I mean, that wasn't really my goal back then. I just would try to find an outfit, like if they were wearing bronze eyeshadow, so would I, kind of thing. And now I try my best to kind of emulate the character as much as I can, but I feel like I kind of look more like Mila Kunis right now. So that was not the intention. I really tried to contour and like get it right, but this gives me a Jackie from That 70s Show vibes, which I also have done. So if you want to check that one out, I mean, you can do that too. And I did want to do her prom look, Jackie from That 70s Show. So let me know if you'd like to see that. And I have a vlog channel as well. Recently I got to go on an amazing trip to Hawaii with Benefit, so that vlog will be coming soon. And I love it when you guys tag me in your recreation photos, whether you try out a style that's just inspired or you want to try a different hairstyle, and you tag me because I love featuring you. So here's a couple of my favorite pictures of you guys. Thanks for tagging me, and I'll see you in my next video.